Hello friends, I'm Ruhaan Jolly. Once again, I welcome you all in my YouTube video. In this video, I will give a glimpse of few Indian parents through a monologue. At times, I think life is not more than B or C grades on the report card, isn't it? I really don't understand why there is so much of obsession on with grades on the report card. Last year, I got B grades in few subjects. My parents' reaction was, "Look at your best friend's score and look at yours. That Sharmaji's son has got O grades in all the subjects. And you? The achievement of Sharmaji's son is always long as compared to mine." I think when my parents have to threaten me, no weapon is better than their dialogue. The other day they were watching reality show. My parents' reaction was, "Look, this child of your age is singing, dancing so well. And you?" Comparison is really worst. I have some questions and concerns here. Why parents care too much about their society and people living around them rather than their child's capabilities? Every child has his own talent, liking, skill. So why the child should not be asked about his liking? So just think about it. Education is beyond grades. Children should be taught to be good humans so that they excel in what they are best at. So, friends, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and bye bye.